What is a black hole? Well, to start, they are black. In fact, they are some of the blackest objects in the universe. They are also pretty hard to see, especially in space. If I put one here, can you see it? If not, that's okay. It's pretty hard. But why is this? It's because matter, the stuff we are made out of, has been so squished up inside that the black hole has become a point of infinite density. What does that mean? To be honest, I don't really know what it means to have infinite density. Only a black hole can truly understand what that means. However, it does mean that the gravity becomes really strong. So strong that not even light can escape. If light gets too close, it will be sucked up by the black hole. This strong gravity can make some other pretty crazy stuff happen too. So crazy that black holes are not only the blackest objects in the universe, they are also the brightest. This happens if we put a bunch of dust around the black hole, and the black hole will start consuming the dust. The friction that this creates envelops the black hole in a ball of fire, and it keeps on growing and growing and growing. It grows so much that it will eventually reach the Eddington limit, which limits how fast the black hole can consume matter, and therefore limits how bright it can actually get. So how bright is an Eddington limit black hole? Well, it's pretty bright. A good way to visualize how bright an Eddington limit black hole is to first imagine that you are on the Earth. Now, if the Earth were all by itself, it would not only be kind of lonely, but it would also be very dark and very cold. Luckily, the Earth has a great and steady relationship with the Sun. The Earth has been orbiting the Sun for billions of years with not a lot of problems. In fact, it's such a perfect relationship that we can live on the Earth. If the Sun was much different, if it was too hot or too cold, or if the Earth was at a different distance, this relationship could drastically change. Now, what if we were to replace the Sun with an Eddington limit black hole? It would be pretty spectacular and very bad for us here on the Earth. If it was a small black hole, the size of our Sun, it would be putting out nearly 30,000 times more light than the Sun. Now, what do you think would happen if we suddenly replaced the Sun-sized black hole with a galaxy-sized black hole that had reached the Eddington limit? Well, it would be pumping out so much energy that it would be nearly 30 billion times more energy than what we receive from the Sun. If the Earth was receiving this much light, it would likely be obliterated by the energy within just a few days. And this concludes how one of the darkest, blackest objects in the known universe can completely obliterate the Earth with light. It's kind of strange to think about that such an object would be both so dark and so light at the same time. If you liked that video, I will be doing my best to come out with more. It takes a lot of work and it takes a lot of time to do these animations. So if you liked it, please leave a like and please leave a subscribe, as it motivates me when I see that people like my content. But anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again soon.